Hello everybody, how you doing? This is Fahad and this video is about the HTML attributes. So let me just define you what are the attributes. Attributes are the characteristics of an element. You can call the attribute as properties or characteristics of an element. All HTML elements can have the attributes. So attributes provide additional information about the elements. Attributes are always specified in a start tag. Attributes usually come in a name value pair, just like name and its value. Here are some examples of attributes. This is an A tag which is for the links, HTML links, and href is an attribute of the A tag. In the second example, we have the paragraph element, and in paragraph element we have the property or the attribute which is the style, and it does have its value. This is also an example of the attributes. So let's just use these examples in the code, okay, in the HTML file. I just want to add a color in my paragraph. So okay, as you know that attributes are always specified in the start tag. Now I'm just gonna write the style, go for the color, and in color I would go for the blue color. Let me just save this file, open this file. Okay, now you can see that text color of the paragraph is a blue. Now we also have to use the link example. So let me just create the link here. For the link you have to write A, and in A what you need to write href. What is href? It is a property of the A element which is used for the HTML links. In this property we give the URL to the link where we want to go. Okay, so I just want to add a Google here, so let me just add a link here. Okay, let me just save this thing, refresh the page and see whether the link is working or not. So let me just click this thing and we go to the Google. So this is how the attributes work, and this is all for this video. And if you really find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.